Hey, groovy guys and gals, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. And this time we're demonstrating an AM-8 track out of a 66 Lincoln Continental. This comes from David in Wilton, Connecticut, and that's about as far as you can possibly send your radio within this country. So thank you so much for your business from clear across the country, David. And David's original request was repaired to original stock. That's just becoming less and less practicable due to parts availability issues, so we were forced to do a conversion just to get the thing working. So now, of course, it has FM too. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get in my ear, so we can test our balance and stuff. AM radio.
Take back approved funding for public broadcasting and foreign aid.
Okay, original balance control.
This is a dark day for America.
Left.
A dark day for
Right.
rural Americans.
Left.
A dark day for any
Right.
American who relies
Okay, center.
on public broadcasting during floods,
Alrighty.
hurricanes.
Now we're going to move over to FM, which we do by turning the radio off and right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off, on. Okay, now we're on FM, and I'll just go down the dial since there's no station presets.
French direction.
That ministry feeding families every week.
Folks led by Democrats response to crises around the world.
Off.
Seeing
With
and
those who stand before that human that
Diddy Combs and
casting. So the 39.
didn't mean it when I said it. Radio Network.
We live in a world of
Okay, I counted about 30 stations, so that's pretty decent. Okay, let's try the 8-track. Got some Neil Sedaka here.
It's a star-spangled world when your choo-choo train are chugging down the road. You know that I'm gonna be the answer to my prayer is you. Means wake up and live. A ticket to the blue.
Alrighty, pull the tape out, radio comes back. Now let's make sure the dial light comes on when it's supposed to. Oh yeah, you can see it. Okay, that's pretty easy to see. Okay, so that takes care of that. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. And from about the middle of the home page of that website, please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions about what all do you do and how much does it cost. That's all going to be in the work order, and it keeps me on the bench where the work gets done and off the phone where work doesn't get done. You're perfectly welcome to call me once you've got a work order in your hand. After that, I'm happy to talk to you because you won't be asking me the same 15-minute questions, 15-minute barrage of questions from each new customer. So thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you again, David, for your business all the way from Wilton, Connecticut, and we'll see you guys next time.